Hi, my name is Julie Miller from My Florida Dreams, 574-276-2067. Today we have a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom mobile home, 1989 mobile home in Colony Cove in Ellington, Florida. This house comes as is. All the furniture is included, is turnkey. This is the living room. It's very clean, very open. Cathedral ceilings. The only thing you need to bring is your toothbrush. Off the living room is a lanai. And off the lanai, you have a screened-in porch with a beautiful view of the water. We're going to come into the kitchen. This kitchen has a lot of storage, nice appliances, into the dining room. You have a built-in china hutch for storage. This is the guest bedroom. Has a huge walk-in closet. Nice ceiling fans. The guest bathroom. Shower tub enclosure. This is the entry into the home, into the master bedroom. Is huge. 2 walk-in closets, double vanities, and a step-in shower. My name is Julie Miller. Give me a call at 574-276-2067. Let's make this your Florida dream come true.